be able to make and sprout seeds. This is the only possible through a process called pollination, not pollution, pollination. Pollination must occur in order to create new seeds from the plant. During pollination, the pollen from a flower is moved from the stamen, which is the male part of the flower that produces pollen, to the pistil, which is the female part of the plant where eggs are stored producing the seed.
All right, so let's look at the picture.
So that's
Passion fruit flower.
All right, so what is this part right here?
I love exotic fruit. So.
Caitlin, what am I pointing at right here? What's this? Pistol. What's the definition of a pistol? It's not a gun.
It's the female of the plant where eggs stored producing seed.
Okay, and who can tell me what's this? Abs, what's this down here?
The male part of the plant.
And what's it called?
It's the stamen, and
Right.
it produces pollen, and it goes to the pistil.
Okay. And who can tell me what is pollination? Bradley, what is pollination?
Like when something carries the pollen from a flower.
It just moves it, right? To
Did
spread
you-
the seeds.
Did you know pollination is accidental? It's when animals are, because animals are usually attracted.
Butterflies and bees are getting the food, and then when they get to the next flower, then pollen with it.
Yep, they go from
I didn't hear you, Ash. What'd you say?
It's when a bee or butterfly or whatever the insect is goes from one flower to get the pollen, and then goes to just to get their food, and then they stick pollen,
The nectar.
the nectar,
Mm-hmm.
and then they get pollen on them, and then they move to the next flower, and then they spread it.
And that's how they spread, right?
that's pollination.
Scientists have something to say.
Recently yesterday I got a new plant called pitcher plant. They actually use nectar as an advantage. They trick insects by creating a nectar-like fluid, which coaxes them into
Wait,
going.
who does? Who does this?
The pitcher plants that I just got.
Oh, the
one,
pitcher plants. Okay, go
they
ahead.
fall into the rim and then they slip down and get drowned in digestive fluids. Yep, I just got one yesterday.
You got a pitcher
You
plant?
should have brought it in.
It's a hanging plant. I would have to carry it all around.
Do you have a Venus flytrap?
Can you
used
take
to
a
have
picture of
Venus
it?
flytrap. Yeah, I probably could.
See if you can take a picture of it and then just send it to my email. Tell Dad or Mom to do it. Those
They also trap insects in there with downward facing hairs. It's a very violent plant.
Here we go.
So let's start with roots. This is the part of a tomato plant. Some of the parts of a plant are different, but they're generally the same. They include roots, stems, leaves, fruits, and flowers. So the roots take in water and nutrients, and they also hold the plant in place, so they're very important. So they anchor the seedling into the soil. Stems carry water, nutrients, and sugars throughout the plant. They also hold the leaves. So they're the backbone of the plant, so they're the main support. Leaves get sunlight and make sugar. The plant uses sugar as food, so that's important. Sugar is the
And what's that process called?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Keep going.
So they're the kitchen of the plant. So when you think of leaves, think of kitchen because they make the food for photosynthesis.
So I can eat the leaves?
Some plants.
Tomatoes actually have toxic seeds because of the nightshade family, so don't eat tomato leaves.
I love tomatoes.
No, he didn't say don't eat tomatoes. He said
He
don't
said
eat
to-
tomato leaves.
No, he said don't eat tomatoes.
I said don't eat tomato leaves. They're in the nightshade family. The leaves are toxic. They have something called solanine. It's
I
dangerous.
thought you said the seeds were toxic. Oh my
No,
God.
he said the leaves.
Okay.
Go ahead.
And the fruits hold the seeds, and the flowers make fruit and seeds, so they help the plant produce seeds.
Here we go.
So how do plants get pollinated? Pollination is possible because of the animals such as bees, hummingbirds, and bats. These pollinators are attracted by the bright colors of the flowers. While they drink the sugary sweet nectar from the flower, their body picks up the pollen. As they fly from flower to flower, the pollen is spread, which is pollination.
Okay, let me ask you a question. If this was writing, and we're saying, according to the author, Pollination is possible because of animals such as bees, hummingbirds, and bats. These pollinators are attracted to the bright colors of the flower. While they drink the sugary sweet nectar from the flower, their body picks up the pollen. As they fly from flower to flower, the pollen is spread. Now, tell me in your own words what that is. If you were going to write this is the part that's the explain part of the prompt. How would you explain this? Caitlin, what would you say?
I would
As loud as you can, because they all have to hear you. What would you say?
I would say that this means
This means, okay, look up there so you can get the information. Explain it in your own words so that I know you understand what pollinated means.
this means that the flowers they pollinate by bees who drink nectar and spread it.
Okay, who else wants to give it a try? Brad,
In other words,
okay,
when the bees pollinate the flower, they're moving it.
what are they moving?
They're moving the pollen
Okay,
to. They're moving the pollen.
how are they moving the pollen?
By drinking it.
No. Liz,
So it gets stuck on the bodies.
okay, tell me, say it like you were writing it.
Okay, so in other words, when insects like bees or birds like hummingbirds, they are attracted to the color of the flower, so they go and drink from the nectar, and once they're there, the nectar pollen kind of gets stuck to their body, so as they fly to the next flower, the pollen spreads.
Okay, okay, so this is what I'm saying, when you're doing your writing, I didn't mean to hijack your thing, but it just happens.
Learning experience.
When you're writing, so if I were to take this and do this as a direct quote, what Liz did, what Brad did, and actually what Abby said it before we even read it, is what the actual process is, and when you put it in your own words, the reader knows you understand what pollination is by taking the exact quote and putting it into your own words. That's your voice in the writing. Aiden, did you have something you wanted to share?
Well, I sort of was gonna do all civics then.
Go ahead. Start it the right way though. What are you gonna start it with?
In other words, the
Pollination, the pollen from a flower is moved from the stamen, male, that produces pollen, to the pistil, female, of the plant where eggs are stored and producing seeds. Who wants to try that one? Tell me in your own words. Jacob, put it in your own words using either, in other words, let me clarify, let me explain, or this means. If you can't see it, baby, go up and look at the board. Okay?
It happens because
No, I need you to start it. I'm putting that in quotes. According to the article, whatever this is, or the PowerPoint, okay, quotation marks. During pollination, the pollen from a flower is moved from the stamen male that produces pollen to the pistil female of the plant where eggs are stored producing seeds. Now explain it.
this means that when bugs go to get the the nectar or whatever, the
Okay.
pollen gets on them, and then when they move the pollen, it goes down to flowers and then the pistils.
Okay, explain the part, you gotta explain that. Come on,
Stamen is the
stamen,
stamen is the male that part of the plant that produces the pollen, and the pistil is where the eggs are.
well, that's not where the eggs are stored, no, that's another part of the flower. This is just a part of the flower, oh yeah, that's, where do they call the, pistil? Okay, it's the oval, it's the
Oh, it's like,
it's an O.
Ovaries?
I used to have a chart, I don't know what happened to the
it's,
chart.
it's over there.
Do I have it?
It's ovales.
Okay, keep going, that's where the eggs are stored, okay, keep going,
And it produces seeds.
okay. Alright, listen to me, all of you. When you're doing this, you have to think in terms of that, because you need to remember this information. a lot of what Jen's doing is what's on FSA for science for plants. This is called fair game. This is information you should have learned in 4th grade. And you're doing a really good job. This is a great, PowerPoint. It's got everything in it. Okay, let's keep going. I just wanna keep going over. This is not my lesson, this is Jen's, but I need you to make sure that you get this. Okay.
So this is the life cycle of plants. Start as seeds. Second is germination. Third is sprouting. Fourth is adult plant, and then pollination. So the bee is bringing it back to the seeds. And it starts over and over and over. So seeds is,
Seeds, they would know. What's germination? Raise your hand. Who remembers? You just went over it. Patricia, what's germination? When it sprouts. So what, okay, this is when it sprouts. What 3 says sprout, what does that mean?
It has pried itself out of the seed partially and it's starting to grow up through the soil.
Okay. And then it becomes the adult plant. And what is pollination? What is pollination? CJ, what is pollination?
When a bee or a bird like a hummingbird takes the nectar and the pollen gets onto the animal.
And then it moves it, right? Excellent, okay.
do we know what this is?
What this
In
is
the
right here?
germination?
The roots.
It's the embryo, the baby
I
part of the plant.
Oh, remember
The
that was.
embryo.
Okay, yeah, what did Jen say? Inside of the seed is a what? Yeah.
it's like wait. It's like a baby inside the seed called
Right, right,
Yep.
it's a baby plant.
Yep.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, so this is just another
Well, that's good.
visual.
Yeah.
So stage 1, seed. Stage 2, seed with root.
But wait, look at this, what's this right here?
a sprout.
Yeah,
Sprout.
exactly, that's the germination, okay, keep going.
And then it's developing what? What are these?
Roots. Taproot.
And then stage 3 is seedling with leaves, so you
But-
can see the leaf.
But you can also see the what? The stem,
stem.
right, keep going.
And the stage 4 is the young plant. And
So
then
how do you know the difference between a young plant and an adult plant?
Spirits. Or leaves.
Who?
The size.
Size, what else? What else?
The adult plant has more leaves.
It has more leaves, what else?
The adult plant may have flowers.
Yeah, it may have flowers, anything else? Aiden?
It also, according like the flowers, it might also start making fruit.
Okay, what else?
Longer roots.
No, absolutely, absolutely. Brad, anything else?
It will be tall.
Yep. Okay, let's keep going. Oh, that's it? Boy, that was a really good,
Oh, there's video.
Um,
I think you can pause that.
yeah, I was gonna